You still feel it, don't you? That quiet disgust, not from others, but from yourself. Every morning you wake up thinking, today I'll be better. But then you scroll, you avoid, you rot, and deep down, you know the truth. The problem is you. Your mind is soft, your body is weak, your habits are poison, and you keep drinking. You've protected your comfort long enough, but today it ends. In this video, I'll give you 4 brutal steps you will hate. But they're the only way to become sharper, smarter, and more dangerous than you've ever been. Everyone else is already leaving. That's good, because what's coming isn't for the average. It's for you. The final version of you, the one your bloodline has never seen. Step 1. Destroy bad habits. Sabotage your brain. Bad habits aren't routines. They're parasites. They bury deep, wrap around your potential like black vines, and slowly eat you alive. You wake up, reach for your phone, and kill your day before it starts. And yet, you still blame the world. You're feeding the disease and expecting to heal. Here's what you do. Sabotage your brain. Cut the roots, whether it's your apps, your playlist, or your toxic friends. Don't manage them. Erase them. Delete, block, remove. If it feels too hard, that means it owns you. Now ask yourself, will you obey your distractions or destroy them? Pick one habit today. Kill it. No backup plan, no return. Step 2. Flood your brain with pain and purpose. Once you kill the bad habits, you've cleared space in your mind. But that's not enough. Now, flood it. If you leave your brain empty, the demons you just defeated will crawl back in. Forget morning hacks and cute routines. You need to go to war with your mind. Do everything you hate, everything that breaks you, everything that makes you uncomfortable. Chase the people who intimidate you. Match their discipline. Outlearn them. Outwork them. This is how your brain evolves, not by comfort, but by chaos. Pain, pressure, and purpose. These are the only things that will rewire your mind for greatness. Step 3. Rebuild your brain with strategy. Now you're stronger, but strength without direction is chaos. This is where most people quit. They feel powerful, but not intelligent. Now rebuild your brain. Take everything you've learned, the pain, the knowledge, the wins and the losses, and start organizing. No more noise. Only system. Turn pain into patterns, losses into lessons, information into weapons. Don't just believe what sounds right, question everything, test it, sharpen your judgment. This is how you go from being strong to being lethal. Step 4. Prove yourself. Become unstoppable. Now it's time. You've cleaned your mind, flooded it, rebuilt it. Now, test it. You're not here to stay hidden. You're not here to survive. You're here to dominate.